Most people lose money in cryptocurrency not because crypto is bad, it's because they don't have the proper education to navigate the space. So today, I want to tell you this. I am here to guide you throughout the process. My goal is not for you to buy. My goal is for you to learn how to build wealth with cryptocurrency, to learn the basics of crypto, to understand everything you need to know before you get started. There's no reason for you to go out there and start buying, then you lose money, right? Whereas you can start now to learn before you embark on the journey to invest. If say you don't know what you're doing, if say you are not connected with the right people who give you the right knowledge on how to navigate the crypto space, then you are going to begin to fail. It's not all about you buying. It's all about you sustaining wealth, you building wealth from scratch. If see you are able to hedge against inflation, if see you are able to multiply your dollars into something big in the future, this is the goal of cryptocurrency, to give you the opportunity to manage your own finances. And if say you are not able to get the proper education to go about the crypto space, then you find yourself making money, losing money, and you won't be able to sustain this wealth that you're going to build or this money that you're going to make from the crypto space. Guys, you don't need to understand everything about cryptocurrency. The basics is enough, is sufficient for you to get started and start building that portfolio that will make you money over a long period of time. I'm not here to give you financial advice. I'm here to share my experience with you and to give you different ways you can go about investing or trading the crypto market. So if say you want to take advantage of my knowledge, my experience, all what I've learned throughout these years trading and investing in cryptocurrency, then I want to recommend you to go and click the link below the description of this video. You're going to connect with me and I'm going to give you all the knowledge you need to get started. Afterwards, you can decide if say crypto is for you or not. But first, the knowledge, the education is what you need, is what is required for you to navigate this. And if say you are a business, then you need this more because it's going to help you to understand how you can tokenize part of your business into cryptocurrency. I help entrepreneurs, businesses on how they can navigate this space. So go right now and click the link, connect with me so I can help you to get started with cryptocurrency. And don't forget to subscribe to my platform. Right now, I create daily videos about cryptocurrency, and this can also be a good resources for you to study as you embark with this journey with me to build a sustainable portfolio for yourself and make money over the long period of time. So guys, go right now, smash the subscribe button, connect with me so we can build something together. Until then, see you when you subscribe and see you when you connect so that I can teach you everything you need to know about this space.